Hello, hello, hello. My name is D7 and I hope you had a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. I know that I have had a great holiday season so far. Anyway, it is December 27th, 2017. It is Wednesday hump day and the markets end the day mostly bullish. You can see that here with the small caps slightly lower, financials slightly higher. US dollar down 0.2%, crude oil down by 0.25%, gold higher by 0.4%, silver higher by almost a full percent. That's really crazy to see how strong gold and silver has been. VIX, the fear indicator, is up 2%. Bitcoin drops by 5% and GBTC drops by 9%. All right, let's start off with the spider. This is the ETF on the S&P 500 and 500 blue chip companies. And the spider is the ETF on exchange traded fund. So it's like a mutual fund, but it's not a mutual fund. It's an exchange traded fund. And that's what we're looking at here. I called it a sell last week before the Christmas, and we have dropped. But here's the thing. We're building just a high base or a bull pennant. Guys, this is a bullish formation that we're building here. We are looking to rally again higher. We have this rising wedge that is failing to break down like it's supposed to. Pretty bullish here. Now, we're not out of the woods yet. We've got to pop up and blast through this blue trend line and do so on big volume. But overall, we're holding our own here. Expect volume to be very, very light through this holiday season. And you'll get a lot of up and downs. But so far, so good. Just nice and even here. The Dow 30, look how beautiful this high base is. It's just a beautiful high base. This is a bullish formation. Even though you got a sell on it, this thing's going to pop, or it looks like it could pop, and I'm going to put a buy on that. NASDAQ, the NASDAQ has given us a really nice bull pullback. So we go up, 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 up. We got a sell, down, 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 down. And today we started to pop. Now what's interesting here, we should have popped and stayed strong here, but we went up, filled this gap. When we filled the gap, we had sellers come in and drive it back down. That's of concern to me. We should have popped and we should have had a couple good candlesticks going northbound. I'm not seeing that, but still, it's still a nice swing high with a higher swing high and a nice bull pullback above the 20 rising day moving average. So overall, this is kind of a bullish formation here. I'd expect to see the MACD cross over and start to go upward here soon. The Russell's 2000, put a sell on it. We've just slightly drifted lower. Today we popped and I thought, there it is. We're going to rally hard. I was going to put a buy on it, but I can't yet because we sold into that strength. We popped up, 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 and then we came down, 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 down by days in. So it's something I'm watching for. The financials, I got a sell on the financials, but this is just a big bullish pennant. This thing could pop here. So be watching for financials to get bullish. The US dollar, I put a sell on it, and it is dropping, folks. US dollar is southbound. Now, we do have a head and shoulders, head and shoulders. This is a head and shoulder trend reversal pattern. Expect bad things for the US dollar in the near future here. Crude oil, put a buy on that back in middle of December, and we're up, 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 and we're at right at a resistance point, so it's hanging up here trying to catch its breath. Gold has been on a tear. Whoa, we closed over a major trend line there. Very interesting. Look at this huge run. I called it a buy, and that thing has taken off, man. I mean, that's a real good roll. Silver had a sell on it, down, 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 then put a buy on it, and then up, 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 up. But we're finding that the 50-day moving average is dropping here, is acting as resistance. I don't know if you guys can hear that outside my window. That's a big truck out front here. VIX, which is the fear indicator, did go up by 2%. So I called it a buy back here on December 12th. And we are going higher, and we did close over the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So fear is starting to increase. Bitcoin, I have a sell on it, and then I called it a buy. And I ended up purchasing Bitcoin down here somewhere in this low, and it goes up, 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 up. and chopped around a little bit. Really popped here as of recent, but today we did go higher and now we're back down. We're just all over the place here. But overall, I thought this was a good buy zone right down here, and I did get in before it rallied higher. So that is Bitcoin there. So there's your 5-minute video. If you found something of use, feel free to share it. Take care, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye.